Oh. Oh yeah, probably plug straight into it. I think this one is a little better. Not bad. This is going in the video. Oi! Those are our tomatoes! New diff, and got an LSD super high performance. Okay, so this has turned into how not to change the diff on a Ford Falcon. I can't get this leaf spring undone at this end. On the donor ute that was almost impossible to get off as well on this side, so I actually took the whole bracket off and removed it, but I can't even get this one to turn. And the other issue is I don't have anywhere to jack it here because I pretty much need to lift it up and move these wheels back to get better access there. What I'm thinking is I'm going to bring the diff over this way, ratchet it up to the frame, and then see if I can get it over the leaf spring. Definitely not the way to do it, and I highly recommend if you are doing a diff swap in a Falcon to take the leaf springs out fully before doing it. Okay, so this is dodgy as hell. I got it ratcheted up there, so now I just have to pull down the spring and try to get the hub over. It ain't stupid if it works, I guess. Just gotta time these down now. I managed to get it positioned right. Yeah, definitely don't do it this way. I need to get a lift. Okay, I'm rage quitting due to the trillion mosquitoes that are out at the moment. When I come back on another day, I'll put the handbrake lines on. The handbrake shoes need to go back in as well. It's coming along nicely. My first time doing a handbrake install. I've actually installed this backwards following the factory service manual but got it upside down.